Hey, good evening, everyone. In tonight's free video, I want to take a look at gold, and the reason I want to take a look at gold is because I got a lot of questions a couple days ago when I said I was placing a short on gold, and the questions that I got were, why would you short gold when the trend of gold is up? And without question, I will admit that the trend of gold is, let me fix that. Let's do that again. The trend of gold is up right now. So there's no arguing that we've gone from, in the last year from 700 to about 1230 and then started pulling back. Now, why am I going short gold? The reason why I'm going short gold, and I don't want to take too much to explain this, but briefly explain the importance of just having a trading plan and following that trading plan. What I mean by that is if you have an absolute trading plan, if you have a trading plan that consists of an entry, why you're entering, a stop, why your stop is there, and a profit target, if you have those three components and you are actually able to quantify the reasons behind each trade, then you need to follow that plan. Okay, a lot of times I come into traders, or a lot of traders will call or shoot us an email and say, I have a trading plan, or I started with a trading plan, and I want to change it, or I'm switching from a trading plan um, because somebody else told me that this thing works better, or this one works better, or that works better. And the point that I'm trying to make is, listen, we all have different trading plans, okay? Our trading plan is based on Fibonacci rules, Fibonacci ratios, and all that good stuff, right? When that told me to get short based on a very specific trading plan or trading rule or a signal, then it's important that you follow it, okay? Regardless of what anybody else is telling you, okay? So it's not to say that you can't get opinions from others, but if you speak to most traders are unable to stick to one single plan even after 6 months or a year's time. It's just a normal part of the trading world, which is technically why 95% of traders don't make money in these markets. A lot of it is due to the fact that they don't have a trading plan and they don't follow that trading plan verbatim every single day. So the point that I'm trying to make is we had a sell signal here based on our rules and we took it. Period. Now, the way we traded it is we traded with options, okay? Now, the way it worked was at the time when this thing rallied up to, let's go to a 60-minute chart just to get an idea of what's happened over the last couple of days. All right, so uh, if we take a look at gold, essentially what happened was when the market rallied up to this level, we got short. And what we did was we bought the $1,100 out of the money puts based on our specific trading plan. Okay, and when the market drove down, when we had this breakdown after we broke down here, when we had this breakdown, the options that we had bought originally for between 190 and 210, let's just say $2, had literally gone up to between $5 and $6 in about a day. And the reason is those of you who trade options understand the time factor behind it. And with a big drop like that, we had a pretty decent move in those options. So we took about half of that position off. But the point that I want to make is, regardless of the trade or any other trade, whether it's a winning trade or a losing trade, you want to be following your rules. You want to have a specific reason why you're getting in, a specific reason why you're getting out, and a specific reason why you're taking profits. If you don't have that as part of your trading plan, or if when you get into a trade, you start looking for answers of why you should get out, then you need to reevaluate your trading plan. Okay? So take that with you and understand that in trading, that is the most important thing, is having a plan and being disciplined in following it. All right, guys. So hope that helps. If you guys have questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, we'll see you guys at the next video update.